Why are you shaking? Your tripod, you're supposed to be sturdy, but you're just like, dang, I'm getting old. What happened to you, girl? You was off spring chicken. Now you are dead old chicken. Well, not dead yet. Hello loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a look with the Natasha Denona palette, and I'm actually recording from my cell phone because I have to go and do some errands, and I'm running late already. So because I couldn't get up this morning, things happen, you know, when you can't wake up. But I wanted to use this gorgeous palette. I used this palette this past weekend. I went away for the weekend, and I thought this was perfect because I just got to my house on Friday, and I'm like, you're going with me because you're small enough to fit in the luggage, and you have enough colors that I could play with for the 2 days that I'm out there. So that's what I did. So if you want to see the pictures on my Instagram, my link is down below, so take a look at it. But this look that I created on my eyes, you will see how I did it, and it's real simple. Like the steps that I show you guys through all my videos, there are simple steps. There is more intrigue, like things that are a little bit more detailed. That's the word, detailed, that take a little bit of practice. But I kid you not, and I want you guys to know this, if you're new in makeup, with practice you do get better. I used to always tell my kids, like, they would play a game, they kept dying. I'm like, don't worry, just keep trying, because you eventually will get it, and then you become really good. And I still have a lot to learn, but looking back maybe a couple years ago versus now, I'm like, okay, I've done much better, I've improved. So let's go ahead and get into this. And if you have any questions, please go ahead and link them down below. If you got this palette, let me know what you think of it. And everything else that I used, like, you're gonna see the video start with my foundation, almost everything. The only thing I didn't have done was my eyes and my lips, but pretty much everything else. I mean, I put a little more of the wonderful highlighter from ColourPop. I love this. I always forget about it. It's called Smokin Whistle, and it's so good, so good. It's like a glazed donut. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started without further ado. I need to stop hitting the thing because you're shaking.
I was breathless, my heart restless. Every turn felt like it was wrong, but I kept going to show I was strong. Pushing to my own song, but you came, you made me see the weight I put on me was too much, too tough.
is the look that I did using the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. This palette is absolutely gorgeous. If you guys have not tried it out, I definitely highly recommend this. I used this all weekend when I went away for the weekend because it's small and it fits, compact, and it has so many colors, so you could do so many different looks. And I did 2 different looks, which I posted it on my Instagram. So if you see the picture of this palette, you're going to see the 2 looks that I did. I did one with some of the I used the Aster color, which is that beautiful color there. And so I did like a rosy type of one, and then I did a sunrise or sunset, or however you want to call it, with the yellows and all that. And then today I used some different colors. I went into like morning, I went into jasper, citrine, I used L'Oreal, and awakening. So I'm trying to use every color. I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors that I have not played with, or maybe 6. So this is the first look of a few looks that I'm going to be doing with this palette. I'm going to try with every new palette that I get to do at least 3 looks, so you guys could see, you know, different looks. Other than that, that's it. I wanted to make this video short, not too long, just get into the nitty-gritty of it, and everything else that I use will be listed down below, so go ahead and take a look so that way you see what I used. That's pretty much it. Just don't forget to hit like, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you are notified when I upload next. And I always finish off with a positive message to you guys, and if you're going through anything, just remember that storms don't last forever. Sometimes it pours down and all of a sudden the sun comes out and it's like you forget all about the storm. So your sunny day will come. Just stay positive. Take care. You don't hear the music, but I hear it here, okay? I hear voices. I'm sorry. Are you following me, little camera? Are you following me? I see you. Oh my God, I really need to go.